Hello everyone and welcome to episode 2 of Coding with Cocktails. This week we're drinking a Irish coffee and we're celebrating the Ethereum devcon 4 Wave 2 ticket sales, which sold out in 3 minutes. So obviously I missed that. So we're going to drink about it. So we're going to drink about it.
I mean, you can't. You gotta figure out a different way to say that.
Let's get started. So I'm gonna open up Remix. I've already got some to-dos here. So we're gonna create a ticket sales contract. There's gonna be a finite amount of tickets. Tickets are gonna cost Ether. The sale is only going to be open for 3 minutes to remind us of devcon, and only an administrator can open and close the sale. Users can see if tickets are available. They can purchase the tickets by sending Ether to a contract, and the purchases are tracked in the contract to be validated later. We're going to have a function called Can I Go to devcon? It's going to be a pure function. Spoilers. And then there's going to be another function called Do I Have a Ticket? Alright, let's get started. So we're going to have a ticket sale contract. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Now let's get started for real. Alright. Constructor. We're going to make a constructor. The constructor is going to help us get started. So in here we're gonna pass in probably what the amount of tickets, how much the tickets cost, and we'll pass in how long the ticket sale is open for here as well. So let's go ahead, total ticket supply, and then we're gonna do ticket cost, and then we'll do how many minutes the sale is open for, and we're going to go ahead and save some of these things here to public variables so people can check these things. Public total tickets, we're going to set that to ticket supply, and then public, you know what, this is a unsigned integer, ticket cost, ticket price. Let's do ticket price, and then we'll do minutes sale last, and then this is going to be public too. I'm not sure if this variable is supposed to be set to 3, but it ends up being set to 3. Let's see here. So we need to do total tickets equals ticket supply, and then we need to, oh, it doesn't like me. Total tickets, typo. And then ticket price. This is pretty standard constructor stuff, just mapping some internal state to the constructor parameters. Ticket cost, and then we're going to set sale last equal to minutes open. Alright, so we've got that boilerplate done. Let's go ahead and work on a function for opening the ticket sale. Function open sale. Okay. Alright, so in here we probably only want to be able to do this if you're the person that's created the ticket sale. So let's go ahead and do a variable called admin or ticket seller equals message dot sender. So we're going to make that a address ticket seller. Okay, so we've got a variable now to hold who opened the ticket sale, and then we're going to make a modifier to check to make sure that you are this person is admin. My standard modifier Alright, so we're going to require that the message sender equals the ticket seller. And we'll add a message, only the ticket seller can do this. Okay. So only the ticket seller can open the sale. So we're going to add that modifier here. Alright, so when the sale is open, we need to change some sort of status so that people can start sending their Ether to this contract and it will be valid. So let's go ahead and add a status. I kind of want to use an enum for this, so let's go ahead and do sale status as an enum. So it's an enumeration. If you're not familiar with that, it's basically a nicety around using numbers to track state. So I'm going to have a pending state, an open state, and an ended or closed. Let's do closed. And then we're going to have a status, which is a sale status. That's the type, and it's going to be called status. All right. And then we're going to, when we start it, we need to set it to, so the way that you use different parts of an enum is you would do sale status dot and then the name of which one you want to do. So I'm going to start it out at pending. So sale status dot pending, like that. All right, and then so open sale, we're going to do status equals sale status dot open, like that. Okay, and then we also need to set, let's see, we need to set an open time. Yeah, opened at, or we'll do sale started. Okay. Let's go ahead and move that below here. Just a random organization thing. Alright, so here we'll do sale started equals now. Okay. So we've got opening a sale. I think that's generally what we want. Let's go ahead and have a close sale function. Similar thing. Only the admin can close it. It's going to do status equals sales status. Oh, I keep doing that. Sales status dot closed. Let's get some delicious coffee. Alright, so the status is closed. So when the status is closed, do we need to do any other cleanup stuff? I don't think so. Oh, we should probably track how many tickets we've sold. So we're going to purchase the tickets through the fallback function. So this is going to be the fallback function. This is the function that gets called when you receive Ether to this contract. So here we need to increase how many tickets are sold. So let's do a uint public tickets sold. So we're gonna track how many tickets we've sold. We're never gonna reduce the number of total tickets. Let's go ahead and do. We need to also check and make sure that can buy tickets. Let's make a modifier that will check to make sure that we can buy tickets. Can buy tickets. So in here, what we will do is we'll check the status. So we're going to require that the status equals sales status dot open. Okay, so it has to be open. Otherwise, we say ticket sale is not open yet. They're just not open. Let's get rid of that, and then we also need the fall through with the underscore. Okay. So then we need to require that the time is not too late. So we need to require that sale started plus minutes open is less than or equal to now. Sales started plus minutes open. So this needs to be times 1 minute here. Alright, what's this saying? Unexpected minutes open, sale last is what we called that. So that error was saying basically, here, let's go back. It was saying undeclared identifier because I used the wrong variable name. Undeclared identifier require sale started plus sale times 1 minute. So I actually wanted sale last, not minutes open. So the way that we would convert sale last to minutes is we're going to multiply by 1 minutes. Okay, so this is going to multiply this by minutes, and then it's going to add it to when we started. And as long as that number is less than now, I actually think I want this inverted. I wanted now less than that. All right. So we know the status is right. We know the time is right. What else do we need to check? Oh, that the amount sold is less than the total supply. Require tickets sold, which by the way we need to set to 0. Tickets sold equals 0. So we need to set that to 0 up there. We need to require that tickets sold is less than total, is it total supply or total tickets? Total tickets. All right. We can say no more tickets left. Ticket sale has ended. Okay. So you can buy tickets if the status is open, if the current time is less than the end time, and then if the amount of tickets sold is less than the total amount of tickets, then we can buy tickets. Okay, so this function, the fallback function, can I buy tickets? If that's true, then what we want to do is we want to track that this address has purchased a ticket. So let's go ahead and get a public mapping. So let's do a mapping of address to Boolean. This will just say ticket holder. So we'll make this public too, so you can check who owns tickets. So this will track, we'll set it to true when someone purchases a ticket. So we can say ticket holder message sender equals true. Okay, so right now we have the ability to open and close a sale and purchase a ticket. What else do we have in our list? Users can see if tickets are available. The admin can open and close. Let's go ahead and try this out and see what it looks like. So I'm on the JavaScript VM here. No compile errors. We're going to fill in the ticket supply. Let's do 100 tickets. The other thing that we need to supply is a ticket cost. Let's do one way. And the minutes open, we'll do 3. Let's click deploy, see if it works. It has a check mark here that makes me think that it worked. Yeah, that all looks good. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So we got the sale last for 3 minutes. We should probably do something to let you know that that's minutes. Ticket holder, we can look up ticket holders. Let's see the ticket price, it's 1. Tickets sold should be 0. Total tickets should be 100. Okay. So since I am the admin, let me try switching to a non-admin and opening. Fails. All right. That's expected. Let's switch to admin, click open. So that worked. So that means our isAdmin check is working. So now that the sale is open, we have 3 minutes total to send one way to the fallback function. It says it was successful. So then I could check my address to see if I actually did get that ticket by copying here. So let's go ahead and copy that. Paste that here. Hopefully my head isn't floating directly on this ticket holder box. Alright, so we're going to check that. It says true. That's good. So that means that we have a ticket. Alright. So that is that. Let's go ahead and try to see what is left in our list. The sale can only be open for 3 minutes. They cost Ether. There's a finite amount of tickets. I bet that we didn't increment. We need to increase tickets sold plus plus. So we need to increment that. That was a bug. Ticket price, tickets sold, isAdmin. Okay, so we need some more functions here. Can I go to devcon and do I have a ticket? Okay. So do I have a ticket should be pretty easy. We're just going to do function. Do I have a ticket? It's going to be a public view, which means that it just is going to return data. And it's going to return, it returns a Boolean. Also, we'll do another function to see if sale is open. Can I buy tickets available? Are tickets available? Like that. Okay, so do I have a ticket? We're just going to return ticket holder. Is it ticket holder or ticket holders? Ticket holder, okay. Message.sender. Pretty simple. Are tickets available? Let's go ahead and return all of these things ANDed with each other so that we can get, so we can help out some people writing programs using our contract. So this is going to be a pure function, which means it doesn't even, no, that's not a pure function. The other thing's a pure function. This is going to be a view as well. Public view returns Boolean. Okay, so we're going to return the status. We're going to return the timing check. And we will return tickets sold. Let's go ahead and break. Let's see if I can do this on multiple lines. I'm not sure if this is valid. It seems like it is. Okay. So if the status is open and now is less than the sales started time plus the amount of minutes that we're waiting and the tickets sold is less than the total tickets, our tickets available should return true or false. Okay, let's go ahead and try this out one last time. Let's make one ticket available. Let's make it cost this much. Hopefully I have that much. And then, so this is expensive tickets. And the sale is only going to last 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and do that. Tickets sold should be 0. Total tickets should be 1. Ticket price should be a big number. Sale last should be 3. Do have a ticket should return false. Are tickets available should be false. Alright, so let's open the sale. Are tickets available should return true. Still don't have a ticket. The sale lasts 3. Now let's purchase our ticket. So I'm going to go up here to the value, paste that big number in, and click this fallback function. So now, do I have a ticket should return true. Are tickets available should return false. Cool. So we've got a pretty simple ticket tracking system. And then we're just going to implement our last function. Can I go to devcon? And that is going to return not true. Constant. So this is a pure function, not a furor. That's a different thing. So this is public pure returns boolean. Bam. Hello, thanks again for watching. This episode we drank an Irish coffee and made a ticket sales contract while being super salty about missing devcon 4 tickets. Next episode we're going to do an event sponsoring contract. If you like watching me drink cocktails and code and you want to see me get better at making cocktails or write better contracts, feel free to subscribe. If you have any contract or cocktail requests, leave them below in the comments. We'll try and do it. Until next time, cheers.